How we doing, guys? Gary, Derek, and Tristan here with Horsepower Harley-Davidson. We got a little problem here. I got tons of new bikes on the floor right now, running out of room, and I got another truck coming tomorrow. So you're never going to get a better deal on a new bike right now. You're never going to have a better selection than we have right now. Come in and test drive the new Pan America. We got street glides, road glides, STs, you name it. I got some new Sportsters in. I got Street Bob over there. You come in today, we'll make you a nice and sweet deal. Anytime through the weekend, we're going to make you a really good deal. Come in and see us.